Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back onto Montana TV. And today, Montana TV is right in Bimbilla, the number North District capital. I hope you understand. As you can see in your shot there, since the road was constructed, we have not so, and many of you have not seen how the place is. So today, Montana TV is right here to come and show you or to show you some visuals when it comes to what the road network. And as you can see, as I already said, the road network is now very good. It's not more the road network that we are having we are having formerly. Everything has been transformed. Everything has been transformed. Now the road network is perfect. If I say perfect, I mean perfect. It's almost like a first class road. So today, Montana TV is just right here to show you guys around Bimbilla Township. So those of you who still have what memories of how bad the road was, for your information, it has been done. The road network has been what has been done. So Bimbilla is now almost like a city. The road network is now perfect. So this video is just what to show you guys around Bimbilla. I hope you understand. We are showing you guys around Bimbilla. Where I am standing is what a roundabout. As you can see, it's a roundabout. Entering from the Woolensey side, or let's say Accra side, this is the roundabout you come and meet first. I hope you understand. This is the roundabout you come and meet first before what sloping down into what into the township. So from here, I think I'll take the videos from here and then what we continue to the other side. So from here we'll go to the other side of the what of the road where entering from the Tamale side. So this is where you enter. This is the where I'm standing is where you enter from the Accra or the Woolensey side. Accra or the Woolensey side. Guys, Bimbilla is now superb when it comes to what the road network is very fine now, guys. Very, 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 very fine now. Very, very, very fine now. You don't have any problem when it comes to what road network. And the development, the roads, the buildings around, everything is what has been laid out perfectly. Everything is being laid out what perfectly. So guys, this is Bimbilla. This is Bimbilla, the number what North District. So as I said, what you are seeing from is what from the Tamale side, and then when you come here, the roundabout where I'm standing currently is the roundabout when you're entering from the Woolensey side or the Accra side. So from here, I'll take you guys to the other side of what the road, or to the other side where you are entering, where you entering for what from the Tamale. So enjoy your view with me, and then please subscribe and then what share for this video to go so that people who are far away and they still think that Bimbilla is still the way it is. No, 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 no. Bimbilla has now got what a superb road what network. So this is Bimbilla Township, guys. This is Bimbilla Township. So enjoy your view, guys. Hello, wonderful viewers. I welcome you onto Montana TV. And today, Montana TV is right here in Woolensey. We are come to show you around some developments which has gone on, or which is going on, or which has gone already inside what Bimbilla Township. It's been a while. It's observed, or you can see in your video, Bimbilla has what been transformed. Has been transformed. When it comes to what the road network, Bimbilla is now very, 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 very neat. If you look at the road network, everything, the whole place has now been what has been down. It's no more the Bimbilla that we used to know again. So I'm going to what I'm showing you around Bimbilla town, and it's just to what show you that Bimbilla has now gotten a very fine what road network. Inside the town is very neat, as you can see in your shot there. So stay tuned to what Montana TV as I take you around the place. I hope you understand. So guys, as you can see, I'm still with you here. So I ride with you inside our Bimbilla township. I hope you understand. Stay tuned, and then you're gonna see me soon in your town. I hope you understand. But today I'm currently inside Bimbilla and anyone knows this. So enjoy your ride with me. Yeah. Enjoy your ride with me. That's the road. Let's go roaming. The streets of what? India. You can see, person will tell you that in Bimbilla is a village. The person has been here before. Bimbilla is a business district. People far away come around here to do a whole lot of sales. A whole lot of sales, guys. Right here inside Bimbilla. So we are still here guys. You can see some principal streets of what Bimbilla is. It's a very special and beautiful place. I think you should try your best and come around and visit one day. It's a very fine place, guys. Very fine place. Very fine place. I see the police station. So as I said, I'm going to show you the other side when you're coming from the Tamale side. So where I'm heading towards is when you're coming from when you're going out of Bimbilla from the Woolensey side, and where I'm headed towards is when I'm going towards Tamale. This is their senior high school. How to understand? This is it, guys. Most of you are far away and still have whole mindset about what? Bimbilla. Bimbilla is no more the way it used to be, guys. So as I said, this is the kind of runabout where you're coming from the what? Bimbilla side. From the sorry, when you're coming from the Tamale side. Let me take you far so that you have a look at the place. I'll send you to where we are selling colleges, and then we'll return back to the town. So these are some filling stations you can see around. As we still take you around some principal streets of what? Bimbilla. Bimbilla has actually got a very nice road network now. The road network is perfect, nicely constructed. guys, as I said, I'm going around Bimbilla Township to show you around some landmarks. I hope you understand if I may use that word. Yeah, still here, I'm still going around. So as I said, these are some of their DCs, and then their DC, and I say this is the what? The Bimbilla Training College. This is the Bimbilla Training College. This is the entrance. This is the whole Bimbilla Training College. How can I say? This is the Bimbilla what Training College. Yes. I think from here we return. I'll show you. So this is where when you're going towards what? This is where you go. You pass straight. Where you're going to Tamale. How can I understand? Go to Tamale, you pass this way. Now let's get back. Let's get back into the town. So that from there, I think the video will be what? The video will come to an end. So this is basically let's down. There's 3 levels. Going around. Beautiful people. I'll start over here to get some fuel into my what? Into my motorbike. As we continue to what? Show you guys around. Okay guys, I'm still over to have some what? Some fuel into my motorbike. So as you said, I'm done. Okay, I'm not going back into the town. So this is where you enter from the Tamale side of the town of Benetton. So this is where we are entering to the town. This is the runabout you meet. This is the runabout you meet, guys. This is the runabout you meet when you are entering from the Tamale side. This is their senior high school. Their senior high school. As you can see, Bimbilla Township is what? Nicely constructed. Everything. The place is not going to be clean. So guys, enjoy your view. Enjoy your view. Enjoy your view. So we are still on the space of Bimbilla, showing you guys around some nicely decorated rooms we have around here. So guys, as I said, share this video, let it go far. So that the perception most people have when it comes to Bimbilla, it will be erased from their what? From their minds. So as I said, this is specific Bimbilla. Specific Bimbilla. Rules you have around. Get it? So there's no more the whole Bimbilla that you have. watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
This is our AstroTech, which is seriously ongoing, guys. So if you are far away and they don't know what is happening here, this is our what? Our part of the AstroTech construction, it is ongoing. As you can see, they are busily working.